Hi, this is Dr. Rick Goodman, and I'm so excited to be one of your keynote speakers at the 2022 in-person HRABC annual conference. The theme, The Floor is Lava, From Stumbling Blocks to HR Blocks. This year's conference will take place on October 28th from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Signature Grand in Davie, Florida. Your conference committee has been working hard to put together an amazing HR experience with information that you can apply instantly with outstanding results. And here's the great news. As a gift to each one of you, in honor of my mother's 80th birthday, each registered attendee will receive a signed copy of my #1 best-selling book, The Solutions-Oriented Leader, Your Comprehensive Guide to Achieve World-Class Results, to implement right away. All the tools we'll teach you at this conference. So make sure you sign up today and tell your friends, because they're not going to want to miss out on this fun, amazing event that takes place October 28th at the Signature Grand in Davie, Florida from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So let's put those stumbling blocks in the past and make 2023 our best year ever. So sign up today, and I'll see you soon.